G'day guys, welcome to the Motorized Bike Build Part 1. Now let's get into it. So today we've got the bike. Just picked up this bike from a friend, gave it to me, so I much appreciate it. So now we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to start undoing the parts that we need to take off. Already got the seat off, but apart from that, let's get into it. Here I go. I'm just going to start by removing the old drink holder. So we're just getting this drink holder off so we can make room for the motor, because that's where the motor will be going in. And then after that we'll be removing the gear changer off the front gear change. Cool, we got rid of the drink holder, guys. So now one of the first things we're going to do is we've got to remove this gear changer for this front sprocket. So we're going to probably put it on maybe the middle or the big one and just keep it there, and then that's it. And then we're going to take this off so it'll only stay on that one, and we can go from there. And then also our first instructions on the booklet say first thing to do is get this rear wheel and chuck the sprocket on. So we'll be doing that too. So I'll get the sprocket ready and get ready to go. Okay guys, so I've got all my parts here. I've got the sprocket, 2 rubber bungs, and what it says to do is cut one rubber bung, one of the rubber spaces, and what we're going to do is we're going to place it inside the sprocket, and that is to get it through the center, obviously, and then we cut that, and then that goes into our center sprocket, just like that. Then we grab our other one. I'm going to chuck that on the outside, just like that. Okay, sweet team. So we've got cut brackets here. And these go on the inside. So we're going to take these out. These are the brackets. These are metal brackets. We're going to thread those in through the back, through these and through the back with these bolts here. Thread that spoke through there, and then we're going to thread these 9 bolts through that. So I'm just removing the front gear shifter, so that's just coming off. And then we can make room for the clutch on this side as well. Okay, I've just got the motor sitting in there now, so I'm just gonna chuck the bracket on at the moment, and okay guys, so the next thing is mount the coil. We're going to mount the coil with all the little bits, and then we'll get on to the accelerator and the clutch, and also the wheel's all done, it's all true, ready to go, and so that's sweet. All the little parts there, all the chain bits, and there's the bike there. So we'll just come down and see if we can find somewhere nice to mount that coil. Okay guys, so I've just realised that the spark plug's not going to fit in properly. So I've realised that I'm probably going to have to take the motor off and grind out the mount so the motor will try and sit lower so I can get that spark plug in better. So we'll give that a go. Just had to make the mount a little bit, just bore the inside out, make sure it fits. So let's give it a go and see if she fits up. So it looks like it's not fitting very well, so I'm going to have to take it back off and give it another little bit of grind on the other side of the mount. Get back onto the bench. Now I've got to take a bit off the engine. Block the port, make sure no shit gets in that. Put the spark plug in too. Pop that hole. Okay guys, so I've got the chain tensioner on, got the sprocket on, I've got the back wheel on. I think I've got the everything pretty sweet. Motor's sitting good, it's all tight, got the coil, just put the coil up there. Just gotta it's gonna have to be cable tied and stuff like that. Just gonna put the tank on next. And then after the tank we'll put the throttle on. Starting to get there, team, starting to get there. Okay guys, here's the bike in all her glory. So I got the exhaust back on. That's where I mounted the coil, petrol tank there. Here's the clutch lever there. Little Grundy clutch, cool carb on there. So she's all done. Only thing I done wrong was I mounted that wrong around the other opposite way. So I've mounted it round that way now. She's got a good, those chains were touching before and a few other things. But no, apart from that, bike goes mint. Chucked a new back tyre on it. And yeah, it doesn't go through too much gas. So what we'll do is we'll get her running and I'll show you her going. Just right, crank it. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining this video. It took a little bit to make this one. Took a while to get a bike and all that kind of stuff, but went well. Bike goes awesome. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching this all the way to the end. If you did, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you want to make one of these. Always don't hesitate to ask any questions. Yeah, thank you very much guys. Now I'm going to enjoy my little putter bike. Take care.